class, I'm Jade.
I'm Earl, and this is the presentation of Group 6.
Our topic for today is Trigonometric Integration.
So let's start.
So for question number 1, we need to find the integral of cos squared x dx. So for the solution, let us recall that cos squared x is equals to 1/2 quantity of 1 plus cos 2x dx. Therefore, the integral of 1/2 quantity of 1 plus cos 2x dx is now equal to 1/2 integral of dx plus 1/2 integral of cos 2x dx plus c. We just distribute the 1/2 and the integral sign in every element. The integral of 1/2 dx is equals to 1/2 x plus c. So we will proceed to the next element and integrate the 1/2 integral of cos 2x dx. So first, we must perform the u substitution. So our u is equals to 2x, and find the derivative of 2x that was equal to 2 dx. And we will cancel the 2 to get the satisfaction of dx. So our formula is ended up to this 1/2 integral of cos u du over 2. Now that we get the u substitution of the given formula, it's now easy to us to integrate. We just rewrite the given formula to become like this. 1/2 multiplied by 1/2 integral of cos u du. And performing the basic integration by simply getting the product of 1/2 multiplied by 1/2. So it's equal to 1/4, right? And find the integral of cosine that was equal to sine. So our final answer is now ended up to this. The integral of 1/2 multiplied by 1/2 integral of cos u du is now equal to 1/4 sin u plus c. And substitute the value of u that was equal to 2x. Therefore, our final answer to 1/2 integral of dx plus 1/2 integral of cos 2x dx plus c is now equal to 1/2 x plus 1/4 sin 2x plus c.
For number 2, we have the integral of sine cube 2x dx. For the solution, we first use the u substitution and letting u to be 2x and du is equal to 2 dx. By substitutions, we will end up to 1/2 integral sine squared u sine u du. As we recall, we know that sine squared u equals 1 minus cos squared u. That came from the Pythagorean identity. We can get this 1/2 integral quantity of 1 minus cosine squared u sine u du. Next is that we need to do another u substitution, but in this case, it was the letter w to be the variable. So letting w equals cos u and dw equals sine u. For this one, 1/2 integral quantity of 1 minus w squared sine u multiplied to dw over negative sine u. Then, we will cancel out sine u to the negative sine u below. After that, we need to put the constant outside the integral symbol just like this. Negative 1/2 integral 1 minus w squared dw. For this step, we distribute the integral to each term for simplification. Negative 1/2 integral dw plus 1/2 integral w squared dw. On this step, we use the power formula on the second term. Negative 1/2 integral of dw plus 1/2 integral of w squared plus 1 over 2 plus 1 dw. Then, negative 1/2 cosine u plus 1/2 cosine squared u, cosine cube u over 3 plus c. By integrating, the answer should be 1 over 6 cosine cube 2x minus 1/2 cosine 2x plus c.
For question number 3, the given question is integral of cos squared x over 1 minus sin x dx. First, we need to conjugate the term by multiplying the term to 1 plus sin x over 1 plus sin x, resulting to cos squared x multiplied by the quantity of 1 plus sin x over 1 plus sin squared x. Second, we need to recall the Pythagorean identity, then substitute the cos squared x to 1 minus sin squared x. Next is cancellation for getting the cos x multiplied by the quantity of 1 plus sin x dx. Then distribute the cos x to 1 and to the sin x to get the integral of cos x plus sin x multiplied by cos x dx. Next is distributing the integral symbol to the terms. We need to integrate the cos x dx, and result we get the sin x and as well as integral of sin x multiplied by cos x dx. For us to integrate the integral of sin x multiplied by cos x dx, we need to use the u substitution, and we need to let u is equals to sin x and find the derivative of sin x to become cos x. Then let's substitute the to get this integral of u cos x du over cos x. And doing the power formula of integral of u raised to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 du is equals to u squared over 2. So our final answer is sin x plus 1/2 multiplied by sin squared x plus c.
For number 4, the given problem was integral of cos cube x over sine raised to 4x dx. The first step that we probably do is to simplify by factoring out cosine cube x to cosine squared x multiplied to cos x, resulting to integral of cos squared x cos x over sine raised to 4x dx. Also, in order for us to answer it, we need to have a prior knowledge to Pythagorean identity. And let's recall, cos squared x equals 1 minus sine squared x. Knowing the Pythagorean identity, we can now substitute 1 minus sine squared x to cosine squared x. Integral quantity of 1 minus sine squared x cosine x over sine raised to 4x dx. In simplifying, we can also use the u substitution. Letting u is equal to sine x and du is equal to cos x dx. Knowing this, we can now achieve this. Integral of quantity of 1 minus u squared cos x over raised to 4 multiplied to du over cos x. Next step is that we need to cancel the 2 cos x. Then, what is left is integral 1 minus u squared over u raised to 4 du. As the numerator have two terms, we can rewrite the terms to be integral of 1 over u raised to 4 respect to the du minus integral of u2 over u4 respect to du. Then the next step will taking the denominator to the numerator. As a result, integral of u raised to negative 4 du minus integral of u raised to negative 2 du. For the next step, we will imply the power rule. U raised to negative 4 plus 1 over negative 4 plus 1 minus u raised to negative 2 plus 1 over negative 2 plus 1 plus c. We will move u to the denominator, then bring back the original value of u to sine x, resulting to 1 over negative 3 sine cube x minus 1 over negative sine x plus c. Lastly, is to recall the trigonometric identity 1 over sine x equals cosecant x. Then, the final answer will be 1 over 3 cosecant cube x plus cosecant plus c.
So, I hope you learned a lot in this video.
And don't forget to click the notification bell below and subscribe to Adonis Math Explorer. Thank you.
Bye-bye.